Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, August 28th, 2023. It is 4:20 and 13 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, gut bacteria. So let's hop to it here. High-fat diets after gut bacteria, boosting colorectal cancer risk in mice. Scientists pinpointed specific microbes and bile acids that become more prevalent in the guts of mice fed high-fat diets. Date August 22nd, 2023. Source: Salk Institute. Researchers have discovered how high-fat diets can change gut bacteria and alter digestive molecules called bile acids that are modified by those bacteria, predisposing mice to colorectal cancer. The findings bring scientists closer to understanding the causes of and how to prevent colorectal cancer. Those gut bacteria, they show, alter the composition of the bile acid pool in ways that cause inflammation and affect how quickly intestinal stem cells replenish. Bile acids are molecules produced by the liver and used by the gut to help digest food and absorb cholesterol, fats, and nutrients. The balance of microbes in the gut is shaped by diet, and we are discovering how alterations in the gut microbial population, the gut microbiome, can create problems that lead to cancer. This paves the way towards interventions that decrease cancer risk. In 2019, microbiologists showed in mice how high-fat diets boosted the overall bile acid levels. The shift in bile acids, they found, shut down a key protein in the gut called the farnesoid X receptor and increased the prevalence of cancer. However, there were still missing links in the story, including how the gut microbiome and bile acids are changed by high-fat diets. The scientific investigators and microbiologists examined the microbiomes and metabolomes, collections of dietary and microbially derived small molecules in the digestive tracts of animals on high-fat diets. They studied mice with a genetic mutation that makes them more susceptible to colorectal tumors. The scientists discovered that although mice fed high-fat diets had more bile acids in their guts, there was a less diverse collection with a higher prevalence of certain bile acids that had been changed by gut bacteria. They also showed that these modified bile acids affected the proliferation of stem cells in the intestines. When these cells don't replenish frequently, they can accumulate mutations, a key step toward encouraging the growth of cancers, which often arise from these stem cells. The scientists were surprised to discover that a high-fat diet had actually had a greater impact on the microbiome and modified bile acids than a genetic mutation that increases cancer susceptibility in the animals. In the future, the team will study how quickly the microbiome and bile acids change after an animal begins eating a high-fat diet. They also plan to study ways to reverse the cancer-associated effects of a high-fat diet by targeting farnesoid, the protein that they previously discovered to be associated with bile acid changes. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.